Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to select text in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF file. Select file option and select open, and you can open your file for a computer and other folder. I have already opened this PDF file and click on this home option. Here you will find the select option and click on this down arrow and select text and graphic option. Now drag your mouse cursor and select your text this way, and this text now selected. Now press right button for your mouse cursor. You can copy this text, copy with format and so on. I just simply copy this text and put in here and see this text now copy. In this way, you can select all of your text, press Ctrl A on your keyboard or press the mouse cursor, select right button and select all and see this. In this way, you can select text on your PDF file. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.